Let the dance begin!
Engine oil aroma gets me every time!
Nowhere left to hide. I've got you.
My shield and I are here. Damn! Damn!
Broken parts, we're on it like oil on metal.
The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The fun's only starting.
It's time. It's time.
This is how it's done.
Things are looking dicey.
It's time.
No battle, no hustle! Time to get those hands dirty! My precious creation! Ain't nothing like perfect tack for perfect results. We aim for...
Got eyes on the target.
As you desire.
It's time.
The best is yet to come. Damn! Wow!
No battle, no hustle. Time to get those hands dirty. Broken parts, we're on it like oil.
Just give the word.
Aim true next time. My turn?
Let the dance begin!
Got eyes on the target.
No battle, no hustle. Time to get those hands dirty. Broken parts, we're on it like oil on metal.
My shield and I are here.
Damn!
Eyes peeled. Looking for the mark.
As you desire.
Ain't nothing like perfect tack for perfect results. We aim for...
Hold up, Sylvie. Look, we get why you're not fans of the UNCS, but trust me, the DL isn't the paradise they make it out to be.
You think we're walking into this with our eyes closed? This is just for now. At least there, we won't have the NDF on our tails.
Is that right? You're walking straight into being lab rats again. You're just data to them on the move.
What choice do we have? But if Cicero tries anything, I'll personally help him trade in that white lab coat for a black coffin. And we'll just keep moving. Just us sisters.
Moving? No! There's more out there for you. Rosa didn't just fight for you to end up wandering endlessly.
You knew Rosa?
Easy, easy, boss. You shoot up like a rocket the second Rosa's name pops up. How are you ever gonna impress anyone if that's your go-to?
Kaiden, there's light up ahead. Cicero's backup or not, we need to make a move.
Copy that. Time to break free.
Listen up, everyone. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill assignment. Chief Gorman personally handed this down to us. It's our shot to show what we're capable of to the rest. Defend the gun ports. We can't let the NDF push forward. This place is too crucial to let the UNCS take over.
The ashes! You think you bottom feeders could hold your ground with those rocket gun ports?
Cicero's rubbing shoulders with the rebels? Guy sure knows how to network.
Figures. At this point, anyone who's not on UNCS's side is a friend of ours.
So you're the GKD parcel service, huh? Great. We need all the hands we can get. Help us keep them at bay. With those rocket gun ports, we can really give those jerks a run for their money.
Never thought we'd be fighting side by side with the rebels.
Hey, is it just me? Or did that last guy sound kind of familiar? Swear I haven't touched a drink in days.
Eyes peeled.
My turn?
Just give the word.
Damn!
Hang tight! We've got backup coming!
parts, we're on it like oil on metal.
It's time.
Eyes peeled, looking for the mark.
Idiots! What? Got rocks for brains? Destroy those rocket gun ports already! If they're still standing when I arrive, you'll wish you'd been discharged!
Yes, sir! Light them up! We need a clear path, people! Set those gun ports ablaze!
They're zeroing in on the gun ports. Kaiden, we can't let them have their way.
Things are looking dicey. Things are looking dicey.
Engine oil aroma gets me every time.
My bad.
Enough hiding. Let's face off. Enough hiding. Let's face off.
Wow!
Eyes peeled.
Crash!
No battle, no hustle. Time to get those hands dirty. Broken parts, we're on it like oil on metal.
It's time.
Enough hiding. Let's face off.
Wow!
Crash!
What amateurs! The NDF standards have plummeted.
So, you're with Cicero.
Cicero? Nope, we're part of the Ashes. Our boss, Yevgeny Ivanovich Gomin, told us to hold this ground. Heard of him? Easy there. Let's introduce ourselves. I'm Marcus Da Vinci, captain of the 7th Mobile Squad of the Ashes. And you are?
Wait, Marcus Da Vinci? Which squad did you say?
Something the matter? Has my name gotten around that much?
Marcus, it's Gomin. Have you made contact with our target yet?
What in the world is happening?
Hello, I'm Yevgeny Ivanovich Gomin. It's been 2 years since our last encounter. Back then, our roles were quite different. Now please, follow Marcus.
Ain't nothing like perfect tack for perfect results. We aim for...
Wow, I can't believe this is happening. It's great to see you all again.
Ha ha! Knew you couldn't have kicked the bucket that easily. And look at you, leading the very people you used to fight against.
Yeah, things sure have changed over the last couple of years. We went from being part of a mobile squad to rebels and wanted criminals.
It's been 2 years, and you've managed to stay off the UNCS's radar. Truly remarkable.
Runaways like us are a dime a dozen in the jungle. But you started out hating the Ashes with a passion.
Sorry to break up the walk down memory lane. What's our next move? We've still got quite the trek ahead.
You must be the head honcho of the Epithelium. No worries. We're en route to our stronghold in the Southern Mines. It's a key location for us. It's under the Ashes watch, fortified and secure. You can hash out your next steps once we get you there.
Sylvie, you've got an encrypted call from Cicero coming through.
Received.
Sylvie, have you linked up with my mercenaries yet?
If by mercenaries you mean those Ashes, then yes.
Right. I hired them via the Dawnstar League. Now's not the time for such worries. The NDF's bringing out the big guns, and won't be letting up on you just yet.
Figures. We're a hot commodity for them after all. So, what's the game plan?
I've mapped a route that'll mask the tracker signal for a while. Seize a moment to split from the main group, and head for the tunnel I've marked on the hillside.
Using those mercenaries and the GKD squad as decoys? Got it. We'll circle back after.
Sylvie, are we really going through with this?
Let's lend a hand one last time. Then, we make our exit.
Marcus, you gotta spill how you've been dancing with the ashes all these years.
Seeing a lot of old faces here. You poached them from our last gig?
It's a saga. But I'm ready for story time. Check the pilot file. Put some of it down there.